Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super cool that will truly make your Jupiter X designs pop: 3D transformations. I'll show you how to enable and use the 3D rotate feature in the transform panel to rotate elements in three-dimensional space and give your site that extra wow factor. And if you're new here, Jupiter X is a WordPress theme that supports Elementor. No Elementor Pro needed. So let's jump right in. You can use 3D transforms on any widget or element in Jupiter X. I'm going to edit this custom HTML element, which contains a cool surprise. First, select the advanced option in the Edit panel. Scroll down in the panel to find the Transform section. Under the Transform menu, select the Rotate option. Activate the 3D Rotate setting. Awesome! You now have access to the 3D transform settings. Now you can rotate your widgets and elements in each X and Y axis direction, and also perspective selector. Now let's add 3 degrees of rotation to our surprise around the X axis. I am certain that you have already guessed the content of our custom HTML widget. And just like that, our box takes on a subtle yet captivating 3-degree rotation around the X axis. While creating cool pages in Jupiter X, your only limitation is truly your imagination. Let's click here to see the episode 4. In a snap, the galaxy opens before you. Episode 4 is now playing, guiding you on how to unleash 3D rotation and transform your elements with CSS. A small step for your cursor, but a giant leap toward becoming the master of your own design force. Pretty awesome, right? And with that, your training in 3D rotation is complete. You've learned how to bring depth and motion into your designs, turning flat pages into living worlds. The tools are now in your hands. How you wield them will shape the destiny of your creations. If this lesson lit up your path, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell to continue your journey through the Jupiter X galaxy. Until next time, may the creative force guide you.